Okay, I'm going to try to get this crank cleaned up in here. So we got our piston squirters installed here and Loctite those all in. So I'm taking brake clean and squirting down in here. I rotated the snap ring around so that was up. So I'm trying to get the oil out from underneath here and I'll put Loctite in there. So you do that and I'll take one of my fine tips here. Probably this one. And we'll blow this right directly on that and try to clean it. At least that's what we're trying to do anyway. What? You're locked out.
You're locking me out.
You're in my way. Damn customers. I'm trying to videotape you in there. Yeah. Close the door.
I'm recording. He's on his YouTube channel.
That's right.
He has like 3 million followers.
Can't be talking. I have 3 followers. We 3 million.
Putting my motors here on his YouTube channel.
No, don't say anyone on the video. You'll be on the video.
This guy. He hates me. Huh? Huh? Fucking people.
You picking on me? No. I'm trying to clean the oil out so I put Loctite in there.
The dude didn't send me all the dude that sent me the motor, he didn't send me all the screws and shit. I come down here and get screws and help him put my bottom end together. Can you hear me?
They can hear you.
That's about it.
That's not getting in there very well.
I'm gonna call you in a leave because he's in his YouTube channel.
Okay. If you heat up to 350, 400 degrees, the oil will come out of there like crazy. Been on yet? Yeah, you blew my torch out. Give me one of my gloves over there. Those dirty yellow ones way down there. Way down there. Top of the welder. Way down there.
Yeah, you couldn't even see him.
These nice clean ones are out here. What do you mean? Can't see them. You give me the one with the holes in it.
You said the dirty ass one.
They all got holes in them.
Look better than my hose.
See, just don't touch it right there. It doesn't hurt. Or right there. It ain't that hot. Torch blew out too soon. Where's that torch at? I need more torch. You turn it yellow or blue, it's a little hot. Don't do that. This line will boom, it blew up again. Now it stinks in here. Ooh, I got a lot of it in there. It's starting to spin, so that's a good sign. That means you're getting most of it out.
Was this all type of metal shit, probably?
No, it doesn't have any metal in there, it just has the oil and stuff. Oh, right on top. Perfect. So it starts to spin, that means you got most of it out. Alright. We're going to call that good enough. Your problem? Nice and loose. Alright. So there's junk on the floor. You throwing stuff on the floor again? Okay. So there might be some oil residue in there still. Here's my new Loctite. Wicking grade. 294.
Is that the retainer locker? Or you put regular Loctite?
This is wicking grade thread locker.
So you don't put retainer locker on there?
Retainer locker is a heavier holding power, but it doesn't wick in.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the wicking stuff. So now you gotta get a hole in the end of here. You got a hole? So you gotta put a hole in this.
Here.
Leave that.
Like this?
Okay, we're back. I put a hole in the bottle. So now you just take a little bit of this and stick it right here on the top. I don't want to get that angle, so I got to get the screwdriver over here so I can get a better angle. Right there. So just put this in here. So that just sucks right in there. So it just disappears in there.
That's the seepage.
That's what it's called, wicking grade. It wicks in. When it comes out the bottom, you know you got enough in there. Now this stuff will tolerate oil too, so it doesn't have to be 100% clean in there, but it definitely helps. It's about $1 a squirt. How many squirts we up to? Starting to get a little bit down here. That should be enough. There's a pop top now too. Something there. Okay, so put that in there. You can see how oil's coming out of your crank pin press fit hole here.
Mm-hmm.
That means there's a gap in there.
Mm.
See, somebody welded a stupid thing in there, and there's a gap between the crank pin and there when they welded it. So that means you have less holding power than when you started because it's leaking oil out of it. Stock ones are press fit, they don't have oil coming out. So it shows you that weld's not very good. That's why I don't weld cranks. Okay, so you let this set up a little bit. It's supposed to set up within 15 minutes, I think, or an hour or something, I don't know. So I'm going to give it a few minutes, let it set up a little bit. Hopefully it'll stop rotating. And it's got a little warmth to it right now, so it's probably about, 80 degrees, 90 maybe. Definitely warmer than what we at, 65. So, alright, we'll let that sit for a few minutes.